Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Pixel's Bitchin' Kitchen. Now, today I have an actual recipe with actual cooking skills for those of you that complain that, oh, putting fish sticks in the oven isn't cooking. Yeah, shut the fuck up. So today, we're gonna be making some pretty good frickin' French toast. That's what we're gonna be making. 6 slices of bread. Alright, audio sync. So guys, now I have the handheld angle. You guys can get a good point of view of what I'm doing, as you see right now, hopefully. So, we got that, got the bread. We should get a plate. Now, this is the second angle. That way I have my hands freed from this treachery. Sit right there. Just right there. Alright guys, so we have the pan, and now we need the ingredients. Wow, I'm terrible at this. Why do people watch me? Alright, so we have eggs. Those are some good eggs. Alright, so we have, now I'm gonna be honest, I'm not good at cracking eggs. I don't remember the last time I had to crack an egg. Here we go. So we're gonna need 2 eggs. Just ready? Oh, perfect crack first try, baby. Okay, I did wash my hands before the film. Okay, so don't worry about it. I am completely sanitary. There's like some weird shit on that egg. I don't know what that is. Oh. See? Just like that. There's a bit of weird shit on there. I don't know if that's supposed to be on the egg. Also, is it just me, or does, like, the texture of eggshells make them, like, seem really tasty? Is that just me? Or...
Yeah, no, they seem like thin chocolate.
They seem like they taste really good. Okay, I got it. The last thing you want in your cinnamon is a little bit of egg.
You say as you're about to mix cinnamon into the egg?
Shut We need some sugar and cinnamon. I think we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of each. That's about half. Mix some cinnamon. Let's quickly wash, rinse, dry. We're gonna be very sanitary here because that's what we're about in the Bitchin' Kitchen. I wish I had a GoPro. Just GoProing the kitchen.
That'd be rad, dude.
1. One and a half is just 1 plus a little bit, basically, that's how I'm measuring it. Plus a little bit. There's gonna be some cinnamony French toast, which, you know, I don't mind actually. Alright, so I think that is as whisked as it's gonna get. I don't know, guys. Okay, so we're gonna move the eggs and everything else off the oven. We're gonna crank it to frying pan. Alright. Fucking Christ, who stacked these? Just kidding. I stacked them. Goes on to a little above medium. You don't want it to be too high, otherwise the inner parts of the bread won't cook and you might get some raw egg in there. Nobody wants that. It's gross. Okay. You guys like, is that satisfying? Can I go in a satisfying video compilation? So we're gonna drop that in. I'm gonna drop in some more. A lot of butter. Now you want your butter to melt. What we want to see is we want to start seeing some bubbles form. And we see some, but there's not a lot of... Okay. You know what? We'll be fine. You want to take your bread, just lightly put it in the batter. You want to flip it over. Oh, that actually looks kind of. That looks like a good. That bread is soaked. Okay, so that's gonna dry it. Put some of that, and whoop, right into the frying pan. Alright, put in the second piece. Cool. Sizzling now.
That's smelling good.
Yeah, see it? I'm actually cooking. Woo! I wish I had a kitchen assistant, because then I could get them cutting the French toast sticks. But no, the only other person who knows how to do kitchen stuff is a cameraman. Right, let's try flipping it. Actually fucking cooking, boys! Look at your boy go! Fucking, this is actually bitchin', dude. This looks good. This looks fucking good. Oh shit. A little burnt.
It looks black on the camera.
That looks so much. Okay, it looks so much worse on the camera than it does in person. Okay. Now we are going to prepare French toast sticks. And how you do that is you cut the bread into a cube, cut sticks. Or as close to a cube as you want, I guess. It doesn't... some of you may be yelling that we're doing this on countertops. I don't give a fuck. These will be French toast bites. Yes, 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 good. Guys, so we're gonna actually try the food we have created. Here comes the French toast. That is really good. That's actually really good. Do you want to try some?
Yes. Fork.
Sure.
Yeah, you want? Alright. Bottoms up. Yeah, that's French toast.
It's got like this one flavor that like accents like the corners of your mouth. I don't know what it is, but it's neat. Anyways, next up, the French toast bites. Get back in the syrup. Tap the syrup, and we just. Again, really fucking good.
True?
Yeah. Hold on. Pick one.
Let's go with this one.
Bitchin. Dude, this is actual like food that I can cook now.
I think I like the bites more than the actual toast.
I don't know, I like them both. There's something charming about the toast, but the bites are just really unhealthy, and they're really good. It's a great breakfast. It's simple, it's easy to cook, kind of, if you're not a fucking dumbass like me. Perfect for a lot of occasions, like, you know, you just woke up, you need to rush out the door, but you want a proper breakfast. You know, does that happen often in the adult world? I feel like it does. You know, trying to cook something for your kids maybe if you have kids. Maybe you're trying to make a romantic breakfast for that special someone. Yeah, that's not not always the case though. So, yeah. But anyways, great recipe. I'll try to put the recipe in the description if you guys want to cook it yourselves. But in the meantime, I'm gonna enjoy myself some good ass French toast. A very good success. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more content in the Bitchin' Kitchen, the first Pixel Geeks series to have more than one episode, make sure to leave a like, comment. If you have any suggestions for other recipes I should try, feel free to comment them below. Keep in mind that I'm not a professional chef, so try to keep it simple, okay? I'm a simple-minded man. This is really complicated for me. You make the batter, you put it in. That was really complicated. But yeah guys, so see you in the next episode. Peace.